At Mayta Sebastian Architecture, we're more than just architects. We're building doctors with a taste for design. With a legacy of excellence in construction, design, and building restoration. We specialize in preserving architectural heritage and creating life-enhancing environments. Our team of professionals with over 2 decades of experience apply effectively BIM methodology and cutting-edge technologies. We serve diverse clients in residential, commercial, educational, and institutional sectors, turning dreams into reality within agreed timelines and budgets. What sets us apart is our client engagement through our innovative client portal, providing seamless project access. Our mission goes beyond construction, focusing on social responsibility by championing women in the industry and promoting education in underserved communities. We're also committed to environmental stewardship through our tree planting philosophy. If you're seeking innovation, quality, and social consciousness in your architectural partner, look no further. Join hands with Mayta Sebastian Architecture and experience the difference.